Welcome to episode number 2. Just a quick update here on that TradeDay account. Got it down to only one inconsistent day now, but I thought honestly we weren't gonna have any inconsistent days left. Now that the account is 70% above what the original profit target is, but no, we still have one inconsistent day. We're making fresh highs here. Let's go over to TradingView to get like the bigger picture. We're breaking above this zone, so I'd actually like along here, target it into this zone, but I don't want to get it right as at high of day. Looks like we're about to get filled. Okay, looks like our target's getting hit here, and it came down, almost got us in, but just missed it, and now it hit our target, so no longer gonna look for that trade. But looks like the idea would have worked. It just we didn't get our entry at the end of the day, so kind of sucks, but it's all good.
Order filled.
Okay, now we're taking the opposite trade as we near this supply zone here. We've seen it be a big reaction point here once, twice, 3 times here already in the past, so potentially we can see us reject here. At least initially we should get a slight pullback. Okay, nice little move there. I'm gonna move my stop to just above break even.
Stop filled.
After a market dip, he would verify the fundamentals and
order filled.
Oh, there we go. We got a pop again over highs, but instant rejection. So I took the trade there. Oh, and I don't have my brackets on. Shoot.
Order
I'm
filled.
gonna go ahead and take it there. Didn't love that trade, but looks like I should have held that. It's my bad, but nice little winner locked in right there. Alright, I'm gonna take the short here. I like where my stop loss is at. Please get me filled here. I'll be kind of salty if I miss my entry here. But basically we're back in this supply zone here. So earlier we were trading over here right when we got the break above it, and I was initially targeting up here, which we got that move. I didn't end up getting filled on that trade, but then I took the
order filled.
The short trade here once we were testing the supply zone. We got a little bit of the move in our favor, but ultimately we didn't really catch much. It was basically break even. Then we ended up pushing all the way up here, and then we got that initial big rejection similar to these 3 moves here, but ultimately we held the zone, came back up and tested it, and got that nice clean push above it. Came back, tested it. It was acting as support now, but ultimately we broke below it and even below this zone. Came back above it, initially acted resistance, but we're kind of breaking up above again, and then right now this zone again is acting as resistance. So just gonna target a small move back into like here and see if we get that. So that's the theory or the reasoning behind this trade right now. Alright, nice move there in our favor, so I'm moving stop just above break even. Really don't want to see us get stopped here. Trend line starting to form here.
Stop filled.
Looks like we got stopped. Kind of annoyed, but it happens. It's all good. Looks like that stop was nice because now we're pushing it back above here. Could take the re-entry, but I don't like the fact that that kind of got wicked like that. Okay, so it looks like we got the move we were looking for here. Would have worked out if we didn't touch stop loss, but it's all good. Nice to see that the idea ended up working out though. Coming into this zone now, so now we can expect some buyers to step in, but if ultimately they're not able to hold this, then we target the next potential zone here. Just a similar idea here. We broke below the supplies or the demand zone. Got that initial bounce off of it, but ultimately we're breaking below it, so now we can target down here. I'm gonna be watching this pivot here to see if we can break that, but yeah, that's the reason I took the entry here.
Stop filled.
Yeah, we got stopped there. Slightly red on the session, but looks like the zone wants to hold a little bit more than we thought initially. Now we're going to be seeing if we can create a lower low here. So You got your high here, lower high here, potentially lower high here. But we need to hold below 1581.25. I wouldn't mind taking the
Order
trade
filled.
there. So we're slightly above the zone, but we can still come down and break below and ultimately test that pivot right there. So I might actually extend my profit target if we come down. Is this the pivot right here? Yeah, it should be it, right? Alright, nice continuation there. Gonna move the stop loss a little bit lower now again, so at least we lock in $50 at this point, which I think would take us back to green even if we get stopped out on the day.
Stop filled.
Alright, we got stopped. Definitely our best trade so far. I've been liking these high, lower, high, get close to that second lower high. We had one of those trades yesterday too, I believe, which was one of our best trades, so that's definitely a setup I really like, in congruence with the zones here. So, and I think we had this similar where we got stopped out the first time, so we need to try to eliminate this trade and just only aim for this trade right here. So that's a little bit where we can be a little bit more selective. This one was a good entry there. I think moving the stop was a little bit unnecessary. So I think I should give the trade a little bit more room there, because this would have been a perfect entry. We could have been still holding this and target all the way down here actually with this entry. It's all good. Looks like we're coming back down after stopping us out. A little unlucky there, but that's how market be sometimes, you know. Oh, there we go. Okay, now I'm a little unhappy. You know, it's very frustrating when your idea pans out, you just don't execute it correctly, but that's my own fault for moving the stop loss, you know. It's a give and take, right? That's with everything in life. It's a give and take. Similar to how it's a give and take with your winning percentage and your risk reward. If you want to take a strategy that's high risk or low risk, high reward, high risk, extremely high reward, low win rate but high risk reward, low risk reward but really high win rate, you know, it's all give and take here with trading, and that's the tricky part. It's like finding the balance that's correct for you. It's not going to be the same for everybody. Some people can't deal with a low win rate. Some people are okay with the low win rate because they want those bigger moves, right? So it's all dependent on you personally. But yeah, looks like we got the move we're looking for. So again, cool to see that the idea is working out. Just gotta like fine tune the execution just a little bit more, and we'll be catching some pretty nice moves. So yeah, we're above the trend line now and above this zone. So whoa. Alright, so the move is up clearly. Got a wick down. Whoa. Okay, that's a nice move up.
Order filled.
Got filled there.
Order filled.
Nice. Similar trade here, but let's see if it would have worked out. Okay, we would have got filled there. Yep, it would have worked out. Nice. I like that setup where it's lower high, and then as we come near this point, you can enter a trade there. Put your stop right above the pivot and aim. You could aim all the way down here if you wanted to. Oh, my alarm's going off. Okay, we're starting to consolidate here. I like that. We need to see some sort of consolidation. Similar idea here. Low, higher low. If we come down and test this, we could do it to the long side. But looks like we've already ran too much. Something like that. We could have got
Order filled.
We got filled there. Came down pretty aggressively.
Stop filled.
Yeah, I got stopped there.
Order Order filled.
I'm trying to move my take profit, bro.
Stop filled.
Alright, stop there. Didn't like how he was stalling. Didn't even though the setup, whoops, on this one I like the setup, but the way price action got down here, the fact we had extended this much, I don't know, I kind of wasn't really feeling the trade. I still ended up taking it though, but this could have been an avoided loss. I feel like I'm not too happy about that one, and I'm not just saying that in hindsight, but we broke this pivot. We weren't able to hold above that. I would have preferred to build support somewhere around here. So there's definitely signs that was a weaker trade there. But it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Still like the short here. Looks like we got stopped right before I made the move. Now we're either gonna break to the upside or to the downside here. Kind of want to wait to see if it gives any signs of what direction it's gonna pick. Right now we're basically in the middle. Could do something like that and move take profit to up here. Still could take an entry somewhere here, but yeah, it looks like it's going. So looks like it picked to the upside. We can go for fresh highs here.
Order filled.
Let's go for fresh highs here. No, fuck, I can't move my shit, bro.
Stop filled.
Ah, I got stopped there. Oh my god, if it I don't like you sometimes, market. Okay, yes, thank you. Yes, break down. There you go. Thank you. Are we really not gonna get fresh highs though? This is gonna be telling. This might make me lean bearish if we're not able to break fresh highs here before market opens. But I mean, we still got a chance. We're not too far. We're like 15 points away. I'm still leaning bullish for now. We can build a support here. That will be nice. And then break above this little pivot here. So consolidate here. Still following structure though. Low, higher low, higher low. But would have preferred if we held above here. It's kind of turning it as a resistance. Don't like that at all. In terms of the plate to hive day. So broke this low. But nicely recovered there. Back to this zone. Hive day back in play.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Oh, that was fast.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Okay, now they're struggling in the zone here.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Okay. Interesting. Didn't expect that, honestly. I thought we were gonna break down there. Don't like that. No.
Order filled.
Fuck.
Stop filled.
Stopped again. So key area here, obviously. Gotta focus up, because I feel like we can see a big move out of this area.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Don't love that.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Okay, should have waited like a second on that one. It's all good. I like the short here. I like the short here. I like the short here. Never mind. Somebody just got filled 139 contracts. Damn. But we're in this contention zone, so I gotta be careful. Can't be too biased on any direction because we haven't picked the direction yet. Like I said, we'll still have a chance of hitting high of day here. That's still in play. So can't get too biased to the short side here. Should have taken the long there. Yep. Okay, high of day really in play now. Fuck. That was the entry right there. My bad. I really wanted to take it too. Let's see if they can hold it 1800. I mean 15800.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Nope.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Wow, really? Really? Fuck you, market. Fuck you, market. Fuck you.
Order filled.
Don't love that entry, actually.
Stop filled.
Okay, down 237 on the session. Gotta be careful here. I think that was a frustration trade out of this. Bro. Alright, I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna let price do its thing. I'll be back. Might switch to micros too, just to gain the momentum again. Don't want to turn this into a big red day. There's no need to, bro. So this is basically a bull flag. Okay, a lot of reds coming in. That's not too... The bulls don't want to see that.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, lock in a win there. Lower our red. Should have extended take profit on that one, but it's okay. Just want to lock in a win real quick. Get the momentum back in our favor. That's important too. A lot of people don't talk about that in trading, but confidence and momentum is it's important too. Sometimes it's not like, you know. I didn't do a good job of explaining that, but hopefully you understand. Like what I mean is like the negative momentum we got from this happening, the frustration led to this trade, and so I wanna get rid of that. So that's why I said I was gonna take a break. Ultimately, I didn't end up taking a break. I took a couple minutes break, but this trade right here, it's gonna help shift the momentum back to the positive. So now that I lock in a winner, seems minimal. Like we didn't take this trade so much for the $80 win, but it's just the simple fact that it's a win is actually a huge thing, right? It shifts the momentum back to our side. So that was the purpose of that trade mainly. Okay, getting a move lower here.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Stopped on that one again. Could have waited till we were closer to this pivot to take it. Don't hate it for the re-entry still. I think we're gonna test 1800. Yeah, fuck. Almost a top tick there. Fuck. A little unfortunate, but there's 18. I mean, I keep saying 1800. 15,800. I should have waited for the right side of the V, but that move happened kind of fast either way. Alright, gonna switch to MNQ here.
Order filled.
Okay, got filled there.
Stop filled. Order filled.
Keeps bouncing back up. Don't love that. Oh, I forgot we could actually add now that we're treating micros.
Stop field.
Alright, stop there. I don't even know if that even covers commissions, bro. It's okay though, we're trading micros, so we're just doing this for the sake of trading and getting that practice in. But alright, we're here at market open. Volatility is extremely high, so yeah, kind of want to try it out, Dale, to see like what we can do, but not gonna mess with it with NQ. Let's go M and Q, and we could just have fun with it. So this is gonna be mostly for fun here. See how we do.
Order filled.
Like the long there.
Stop
Got stopped. Let me turn that off. Hold up. Sorry.
Order filled.
I'm kind of confused.
Order
Dude.
filled.
What's going on? What's with all these orders? Okay, we should have extended take profit, but I was a little confused there.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Okay, stopped on that one. $20 loss right there. Still like the
Order
short
filled.
term.
Stop filled.
Nope.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
15,800.
Stop
We
filled.
got stopped though.
Order filled.
For high, we could take it for high day here. We only got filled on 2 contracts though.
Stop filled.
Interesting. It's definitely tricky to trade market open with 4-point stop loss, 4-point take profit. Would be surprised if we don't get fresh highs here, but there we go, fresh highs.
Order filled.
Still feel like we have a chance of coming down
Stop filled.
to 15,800.
Order filled. Stop filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Stop filled. Order filled. Stop filled. Order filled. Stop filled.
Damn, bro. Fuck. Okay, that's the move we were looking for. I feel like P&L doesn't reflect. It reflects our performance well today, because we haven't been trading well, or we haven't been trading that great. But it's just today's definitely been a frustrating day for sure. But we definitely shouldn't be down 437. I feel like we've had a lot of this where we get a decent entry, we get a move, but ultimately get stopped at break even because we're looking for that bigger move, which maybe we shouldn't be looking for that bigger move and like just locking in those gains. And then we've had a lot of these where we enter and we immediately get stopped on those. So definitely a bit of over trading today for sure. Taking definitely the most trades out of any day super scalping so far today. So there's been mistakes for sure, but it's been a little bit unfair to us a little bit, you know. Like here got stopped and then ultimately it did the move we were looking for. It's just our execution wasn't good enough. And maybe I don't know if it's I can't say it's a flaw with the strategy. It's more of the way I'm executing it and moving stop to break even. Maybe I just need to cut that out. That's probably definitely hurt us more than it's helped us. So that's something to take note of. But yeah, it's just been a frustrating day for sure. I'm gonna give myself until if we hit 500, that'll be our daily max loss. Gonna go down to 3 contracts here.
Order filled.
Okay, not gonna move my stop even if we're going profits here.
Order filled.
Adding to the trade there.
Order filled.
These candles are really jumpy. I feel like maybe I should move to a higher time frame. 200 ticks maybe. That would clean up the chart a little bit. Oh, that would be really annoying. Don't.
Order filled.
Thank you. Okay, finally a decent trade there. Now the loss is under 400, so yesterday's game was what, 200 something, but we still have that inconsistent day. Do we get the inconsistent days back? So I think we're gonna have 2 inconsistent days now. Fuck, man, it's tough because we have to aim for 2,000 total profit on the account now. It's like if we're beating the challenge twice because of those goddamn inconsistent days, bro. Nice exit there. So just made a comment that market has been unfair to us, but we got kind of lucky on that one right there.